Once upon a time, in the mystical lands of Persia, there lived a legendary figure known as Hatem Tai. He was renowned for his wisdom, generosity, and unwavering devotion to the principles of Islam. Hatem Tai's name resonated throughout the region, not only for his wealth but also for his compassion and righteousness. One evening, as the sun dipped beneath the horizon and the stars began to twinkle in the sky, Hatem Tai sat in his majestic palace, surrounded by his advisors and companions. They spoke of the challenges facing their people and the ways in which they could alleviate their suffering. Suddenly, a weary traveler stumbled into the grand hall, his clothes tattered and his face etched with exhaustion. He introduced himself as Ali, a humble farmer from a distant village, seeking aid and refuge. Moved by the plight of the stranger, Hatem Tai welcomed Ali with open arms, offering him food, shelter, and warmth. As they dined together, Hatem Tai listened intently to Ali's tale of hardship and despair. The farmer recounted how a devastating drought had ravaged his lands, leaving his crops withered and his family starving. Without hesitation, Hatem Tai vowed to assist Ali in his time of need. He dispatched his servants to gather provisions and supplies, ensuring that the farmer's family would not go hungry. Furthermore, he pledged to help rebuild the village's irrigation system, enabling the farmers to cultivate their fields once more. Days turned into weeks, and Hatem Tai labored tirelessly alongside the villagers, digging trenches and laying pipes to channel water to the parched earth. His dedication and selflessness inspired all who witnessed his actions, fostering a sense of unity and hope among the community. As the first drops of rain fell from the heavens, signaling the end of the drought, Ali and his fellow villagers rejoiced, their hearts filled with gratitude for Hatem Tai's benevolence. They offered prayers of thanks, acknowledging the divine blessings bestowed upon them through the generosity of. In the years that followed, Hatem Tai's legacy endured, his name revered as a symbol of compassion,